Confusing words in English. There, and there. How do they differ? There, the THERE, can be an adverb or a pronoun, while there, THEIR, is a possessive determiner. And the last one, there, the one with the apostrophe, is a contraction. There as an adverb and a pronoun. As an adverb, it modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It basically means in or at that place. So as an adverb, it focuses its attention to a particular direction or position. It is also the opposite of here. On the other hand, as a pronoun, it introduces a word or a clause. It means that something occurs or exists. It is usually followed by the words is and are. So there is and there are. Next, there, the possessive determiner. This shows ownership or belonging. This is the third person plural possessive adjective. Third person meaning it pertains to the one you are talking about. Plural, it pertains to more than one. Possessive, of course, it is showing ownership or belonging. And adjective, it modifies a noun. So, it is usually followed by a noun. There, the contraction. This is the contraction of they are. When we say contraction, it is the shortened form of a word or phrase. So in this case, there is the shortened form of they are. The apostrophe stands for the omitted letter, which is the letter A. So from they are, it became there. It is usually followed by an adjective or a verb ending in ing. Here is an example sentence for there as an adverb. We will go there tomorrow. So meaning there is the place that we are going to be tomorrow. Next, there as a pronoun. There are many beaches in that place, meaning that particular place has many beaches. It exists in that place. Next, their house is far from the city. So there, the possessive determiner, modifies the noun, which is the house. They're planning to leave early. There is the contraction. So if we expand the sentence, they are planning to leave early. And if we infuse all of the words together in one sentence, this is an example. They're going to visit their grandmother there. The first highlighted word is the contraction of they are. The second one is the possessive determiner. And the last one is the adverb. So here are some sentences for us to practice. Number 1, is there any vacant seat? Here the correct answer is there. Number 2, their meeting started late. So here what we need is there, the possessive determiner. Number 3, they're possibly going to have another meeting tomorrow. So here the correct answer is there, the contraction. If we expand the sentence, it will become they are possibly going to have another meeting tomorrow. And the last one, there are some members who expressed their disappointment. Here, the correct answer is there are some members who expressed their disappointment. So here are more sentences for you to practice. Number 1, do you think they're ready for their presentation? Number 2, there is always a room for improvement. Please comment your answers. This is the lesson summary. If you have questions or clarifications, please feel free to leave a comment. Thank you.